I'm Colin Hindle. I own and operate Granny Dowbekin's Tearooms by Pooley Bridge, just over the river from here.
Okay, and Colin, what's behind you?
This is the new Pooley Bridge. Currently in 4 sections. It's all made of stainless steel. The last pieces arrived just last week, and the next stage is for the road deck to be welded in, and for all of the pieces to come together, and a concrete pad to be laid on top, which will be the basement to the road surface. That is then going to be lifted in one piece in early April is the current schedule, which will be a spectacular sight for anyone coming over the Easter break. Everyone agrees it is a beautiful and elegant structure, and when you come up close, you really do get the sense of its sophistication. If you arrive on the wrong side of the lake and you don't know your way around, you can park up and walk into the village, but otherwise you're travelling 15 miles to get in, unless you know to come in via Pooley Bridge and Tearooms. So some visitors are passing us by, and we're hurting a little bit from that. But everyone's very anticipatory, looking forward to this beautiful thing coming into use in June at some point. If you park on the west side near Waterfoot and the Ullswater Steamer Pier, it's a 5-minute walk, and the road is traffic free. There's a free car park with 40 spaces that's free to everyone, so that's why it's popular. Free parking in the lakes is not very common, but in Pooley Bridge in the village square it's free also, so remember that, folks.